Hello, welcome back. Now let's see those options which you could access from Home tab. So if you click on New, you could see we have an option to create new SQL script or notebook or pipelines, which you could even access from Develop tab. So if you go to Develop tab and if you click on this plus button, you could see similar option. Similarly, if you go to most of the time we will use Develop tab to create the scripts and pipelines. So no one will use these shortcuts, but we have an option to access those. Similarly, we have an option to ingest, which will create a simple template, and you could select the source and destination, and it will create a simple copy activity. So, but I don't want to use. But if you want to perform a one-time copy activity, you could go with these options. Similarly, we have an option to metadata driven copy also. So let's close this. Then if you want to explore and analyze, you could use this option. So it will give a link to the tutorials. So document you could access from this button. Similarly, you could connect your Synapse to the Power BI using these options. And inside Knowledge Center, you could access sample data or similar kind of options there. So I'm not going to discuss this part, but if you want to use the sample data and SQL pools, you could use these options. But while playing with this option, you should be very careful because you will be charged based on your usage. So if you select a Spark pool or SQL pools, you could see you will be charged. So while playing with these options, you should be very careful, and once you're done, you should terminate, or you should normally Spark pool will get terminated automatically if the session is inactive, but SQL pool you have to terminate manually and you will be charged heavily. So you should be very careful while playing with these options. And inside gallery, you could see we have dataset. So you could access many dataset or template. So there is option to use the existing dataset or template or notebook. And let's close this. Let's go back to Home. So these are some of the important options you will find inside Home tab. And if you want to connect with the other partners, you could use this option, browse partner option. So you could see we have an option to connect with the Click or Informatica. So these are the options you will get inside Home tab, and that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.